Hi, my name is Lucas Futzinger, and I go to Marian Anderson Neighborhood Academy. Today we're doing a video of Marian Anderson, her legacy, and her impact on Philly. So who is Marian Anderson? She's an American contralto born in February 27th, 1897, from Philadelphia, and attended South Philly High School. Marian Anderson's talents were revealed very early in her life, as she brought her opera coach in high school to tears. Towards her professional career, she started writing songs and doing performances. Some of her top songs include Deep River, Heaven, Heaven, and He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. In 1955, Marian Anderson became the first African-American singer to perform at the Metro Opera, after being declined a performance in D.C. After her performance, she started becoming very popular in the U.S. and Europe. As her popularity grew, she also received the Presidential Medal in 1963. On June 8, 2024, Kimmel Center rededicated its main concert hall to Marian Anderson, naming it after her. June 8th is officially Philly's Marian Anderson Day. To conclude her legacy, a UNCF scholarship was developed in her honor for 2 students every year.